Hello everyone. We are back with part 4 of the video series on issues faced due to inadequate PLM support. Today we are going to discuss problem number 4. Scope problem. User is working on a project and encounters an error midway. User then raises a support ticket and waits for issue resolution. The PLM support team checks the error and tells the user that it is a CAD-related problem and is not in their scope. User then goes to the CAD support team who checks the error and tells the user that it is a PLM-related problem and not in their scope. User is tired of this back and forth communication due to scope differences. The problem is still not resolved, valuable time is lost and the project delivery is also affected. This is just not right. What if there is a better way? Support that is 1. Gives immediate attention. 2. Is reliable and efficient. 3. Is proactive and smart. And 4. Is economic and reasonable. We at PLM Nordic have designed a unique support model tailored to your needs. To know more, download e-paper from the given link. You can also contact us on our email or visit our website. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.